The silent killer. How social media comparison destroys your confidence beyond rewired. You open your phone, scroll for 5 minutes, and suddenly you let your life a little more. Their life looks perfect, yours does not. You think you are just browsing, but actually you are bleeding from an invisible wound. This is the silent killer comparison, and today we will expose how social media is rewiring your mind one scroll at a time. Part 1. The psychology of comparison. Human brains are wired to compare. It's how we measure progress. But social media exaggerates this natural instinct. You see highlights reels, not real life. This creates a distorted reality where everyone seems richer, happier, and more successful than you. Psychologists call this upward social comparison. It lowers self-esteem, increases anxiety and depression, creates false standards of success. Comparison is the thief of joy. Part 2. The social media trap. Apps are designed like digital slot machines. Dopamine like and notifications keep you hooked. The more you scroll, the more your brain craves validation. Your worth becomes tied to numbers, followers, likes, comments. Every time you see someone doing better, your brain registers loss, not inspiration. You start living in silent competition with people you do not even know. Part 3. Breaking the cycle. Awareness is step 1. Realize is it's not your failure, it's the system. Limit your exposure, unfollow accounts that trigger comparison. Replace consumption with creation. Every minute spent creating content builds identity, not insecurity. Practice gratitude, not three real things you are grateful for daily. Follow reality, spend time offline, nature, family, real conversation. Closing message. The next time you open your phone and feel less than, remember social medias shows their moments, not their struggles. Stop comparing your behind the scene to someone else highlights reel. Rewire your mind, live your truth. Because comparison kills joy, but awareness brings freedom. And thank you.